Assalamu alaikum everyone and hello. Today I am gonna present the topic is about SR latch and flip flop for memory element in digital circuit. So before I started, let me introduce myself first. My name is Mustafa Sabbi Afridi. My ID is 3 digit is 851. Next slide. So what is SR latch? An SR latch is a basic digital memory circuit that has two stable states and is used to store one bit of information. It is one of the simplest type of sequential logic circuit. The SR latch is a fundamental memory element in digital circuit that can store a single bit of information. Uh, it consists of two NOR and NAND gates connected in a feedback loop. Next slide. So why is SLS used in sequential circuit? Used to build D, JK, and T flip-flops. Used in mode selection and reset circuits. Works asynchronously, changed state instantly. Made with just two NOR and NAND gates. Used in memory units, debound circuit, and embedded system. That's my presentation. My next member, Dhruvo Digari Joy, carry out the presentation.
Thank you, Afridi, for your presentation. Hello, sir. My name is Dhruvo Dikari Joy, and the last three digits of my ID is 335. Today, I will be discussing introduction to flip-flop and why flip-flop circuits are used in sequential circuits. So, what is flip-flop circuit? A flip-flop is a basic digital memory circuit used in electronics and computer systems to store one bit of data, either a 0 or a 1. It's one of the fundamental building blocks of sequential logic circuits like counters, registers, and memory. Now let's discuss how does a flip-flop works, or how does a flip-flop circuit works. At its core, a flip-flop maintains a binary state which is on or off until it's told to switch. It changes the basic based of input and the clock signals. There are several types of flip-flop circuits, which is like stable states. Flip-flops are bistables. They have two stable states, input controls state and clock signals, and many other modes. There are many types of flip-flop circuits. Here we can see four types of flip-flop circuits, such as the SR flip-flop, D flip-flop, JK flip-flop, and the T flip-flop circuits. All of these flip-flop circuits have different purpose and different work stages as well. Now, some of these flip-flop types will be discussed by my next team member, Najmul. That's all from myself.
Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Myself, Nazmul Hassan, and my ID initial is 232158449. Today I'll be talking about two basic types of flip-flop in digital electronics. These are SR flip-flop and D flip-flop. So, flip-flops are memory element that stores one bit of data. It's either 0 or 1. And we are building blocks of memory and sequential circuit. So now there's a question. What is flip-flop? A flip-flop is a circuit that can hold its states either high or low until it's told to change. It's like a light switch that remembers whether it's on or off, even if you walk away. Now here we can see the figure of our SR flip-flop, and the SR flip-flop has two inputs, S for set and R for reset. When S is 1 and R is 0, the output becomes 1, that means it's set. When S is 0 and R is 1, the output becomes 0, that's reset. When both S and R are 0, the output holds the last state. But both S and R are 1, it creates a invalid condition. It confuses the output. Next slide please. Now let's look at D flip-flop, which is also called the data flip-flop. It has only one input D. Whenever data you give at D gets transferred to the output, only of the clock edge. If D is 1 when the clock ticks, the output becomes 1. If D is 0 when the clock ticks, the output becomes 0. It's like a camera that only takes a snapshot when you click the button. Now, there are some key difference between SR flip-flop and D flip-flop. So, SR flip-flop has two inputs, set and reset, where D flip-flop has only one data. D flip-flop avoids the invalid state of SR flip-flop by design, and D flip-flop is simpler and more commonly used in more modern circuits, especially for registers and memory. That's all from myself. Thank you, everyone. And now my next team member will continue the presentation.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Rakib Mahmoud Rupom. My ID is 232158859. My topic is JK flip-flop. JK flip-flop is the modified version of SR flip-flop. It operates with only positive clock transition or negative clock transition. The circuit diagram of JK flip-flop is shown in the following figure. Next slide, please. T flip-flop is a modified version of the JK flip-flop where both input J and K are tied together to form a single input T. Here T means toggle. It changes its state only on positive or negative clock transition. The circuit diagram of the T flip-flop is shown in the following figure. Next slide, please. Here is the comparison table of SLS and flip-flop. SLS is asynchronous, but the flip-flop is synchronous. Clock signal is required, not required for SLS, but in flip-flop, clock signal is required. In SLS, change immediate based on input, but flip-flop change only on clock pulse. SLS is less stable, but flip-flop is more stable. That's it from me. Now I am inviting my next presenter. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Priyanka Sarkar. My ID is 2321534. My topic is real world uses of SRLS and flip-flops. Used in processor and CPU, used in memory storage, used in embedded system and microcontroller, also used in digital counters and timers, used in satellite and communication system. Next slide. Conclusion. SRLS and flip-flops are the fundamental building blocks of digital memory circuit, enabling the storage and manipulation of data in modern computing devices. These memory elements are crucial components in processor, communication system, and a wide range of embedded applications. As technology continues to evolve, the importance of SRLS and flip-flops will likely increase, particularly in emerging fields like artificial intelligence and quantum computing, where efficient and reliable data storage is important. This is all from my side. Thank you.